Have you been looking for that special property that would allow you to create your vision of your next home? Well, your opportunity to do just that might be here at 78 Warnica Avenue in Etobicoke. This home has been in the hands of the same family for nearly 40 years, and the time has come to turn the keys over to new owners. "78 Warnica Avenue is a 3-bed, 2-bath bungalow on a lot that is 40 feet wide, 125 feet long, and has an extended private driveway. The property is closely located to great schools like Norseman Junior Middle School, Queensland Park, and tons of amenities along the Queensway. Area residents all over the neighborhood are putting their touches on properties by completing renovations, building custom homes. And of course they are, why wouldn't they? Just look at all the conveniences that you have nearby. Costco, amazing restaurants and delicious takeout joints lined up and down the Queensway. Cineplex movie theater is a 10-minute walk away, and you can still have a short commute downtown since you'd be so close to accessing the Gardiner Expressway. If you think 78 Warnica could be the site of your dream project, you can contact me to ask any questions you may have or to book your private showing.